Hey, welcome to ManKitchenRecipes. I'm Kevin, and today, most of you know I love those big, huge dino short ribs. I can only find them whenever I go to Texas, and I've been craving them. And I was at the store the other day, and they had regular short ribs. Yeah, they're not dino ribs, but if I put them all together, they would be one big dino rib. So what I did with these ribs, I did when I prepared them, I took the membrane off the back side of them. Cleaned up some of the fat. Some of them had silver skin on them. Took all that off so that we can get this rub. I'm using Worcestershire sauce as a binder. I'm using some Hawaiian coffee rub that I picked up when I was in Hawaii. We're just going to get that coffee rub on them and get them out to the pellet grill. Okay, so there they are. All rubbed up with that coffee rub. I've got my Pit Boss Lexington. I am rolling again with the smoking pecan shell pellets. These things are amazing. They add some great flavor. And I've got my Lexington warmed up to 250 degrees. So let's get these on there. Putting bone side down. And we're gonna let these roll. I'm gonna get these up to about 160, 170 internal temp, and then we'll braise them. Right, we're actually only about an hour and a half in. I did put a temp probe in, and it's temping out at 165. So what I want to do now is get my short ribs in a pan. Just like that. Add beef broth or whatever you want to add. I am actually going to add some red chili sauce because I think I might do some tacos, maybe some a burrito or something like that. Mix that around a little bit. I'll check these in a little bit. I may want to add a little liquid to this, but for right now I'm not going to, because some of the fat from the rib should come out and make it liquidy. Alright, so cover it up. And let them go. Okay, temp probe says we're at 200, 201. Just in time too, this weather's getting nasty. Oh yeah. Take these off and get them in the house, let them cool off. We'll cut into one and give it a taste test. All right, let's take a look. It's setting for about 10 minutes or so. Oh yeah, still steaming hot. Look at that. There you go. Red chili braised short ribs. We'll cut into one here in a second. All right, check these out. Red chili. Just cut this one off the bone right here. It'll probably just fall off. Oh yeah, just pulls right off. Look at that. Oh my. Barely need the knife. These would probably just shred if I wanted them to. So how does it look? Look at that. Nice smoke ring on there. That's that pecan shell pellets, smoking pecan. Let's take a taste test of this. Okay, there you go. This ended up being red chili beef short ribs. I did intend it that way when I started, but about halfway through the cook, I'm like, man, I want to braise these in some red chili sauce, not in beef broth or anything like that. Even though I was using the pecan shell pellets from Smoking Pecan and that coffee rub, it's still gonna be good. Look at that thing. Look at that smoke ring off of that. That has such great flavor, even with the red chili sauce on there. Especially especially with the red chili sauce on there. All right, we got some red chili beef short ribs. I'm gonna serve that over some rice tonight. I got some rice going on right there. I'm probably gonna make some tacos with it, with the leftovers. Maybe a burrito. There might not be enough for a burrito, but I'm definitely gonna make some tacos. I got that red chili sauce, so there'll probably be birria tacos with short ribs. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. Whoa.